Uh, this is first PPT says about what India is a multicultural society. Okay, that means in India there is a lot of religion exists, but the majority of the religion groups are Hindu, Muslims, and Buddhist. Okay, so India is a multicultural nation. Okay, so India is a dash nation. You may be asked in the objective type question, what is India is dash nation? So India is a multicultural nation. Okay, accommodating many cultural races, caste, religions, and languages. Okay, India reflect a nation of a nation's land of many culture. Again, this can be asked for the objective. India reflect as a nation of dash nation. Okay, it's a land of many culture. That means people from various background, people from various culture. Then you can see there are various language. Urdu, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Rajasthani, Gujarati, Marathi, Konkani, Kannada. Okay, there are various languages speaking in India. You can see in the PPT, people in India. You can see the map of India and the symbols, religion symbols. Are you able to see the screen, student, clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
So the religion symbols, okay, religion symbol is there, and then again you can see the food habit. Okay, for example, South Indian food, North Indian food. We eat all the type of food, but there is a speciality. Okay, for example, North Indian thali, South Indian thali, Punjabi thali, Konkani thali, Maharashtrian thali. Okay, so India has a special cuisine. Okay, there are many tourists who visit to India for the Indian food also. Then you can see the PPT United We Stand. Here you can see the people from all the religion. Okay, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Buddhist. Okay, okay. Next religion in India, again the same thing. That is Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism, Islam, Sikhism, Jainism. Okay, even though we are different, but united we stand. Then the next important thing is the regional variation. See, I told you what is the difference between the region and the regional. Okay, when you talk about the religion, when I talk about religion, religion means the various religion that exists in India, that is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Okay, when I say the regional variation, that is the geographical variation. Okay, from one state to the other state. For example, see literacy, you can see in the screen, the ability to read and write. That means a person doesn't have an ability to read and write. That means that person will be illiterate. The literacy rate in India is very low. Which state the literacy rate is very high, student? Literacy rate is very high in the state. Which state?
Kerala,
And oh, very good. And which state the literacy rate is low?
Bihar,
Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. Very good. Okay, then you can see the birth rate and the death rate. Okay, the data is given from year 1901 till 2001. Okay, the latest data is 2011, but this book where the data get is up to 2001. You can see the death rate, and there is a growth in the growth. Okay, you can see the last table. You can see, are it is visible, clearly visible, student table? Table is clearly visible.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see the birth rate is 109. It is 49.2, whereas death rate is 40.2. So the growth rate, you can see growth rate that is 6.6. It's now in 2001. It is increased to 17.1. That means death rate is increasing. Birth rate is increasing and death rate is decreasing. Then you can see the urbanization. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of term urbanization? What is actually urbanization? Anyone? Anyone can speak about urbanization? What is city? Very good. That means in India there is a variation. There is a difference between the urban India and the rural India. Okay, we have seen the characteristics of rural India and urban India. When we find that in urban India, it is infrastructural facilities and all the facilities, income and poverty is very high. Poverty is less, income is very high, facilities are there. But if you visit to the rural India, the condition of rural India still in the 21st century is very bad compared to the urban India. Okay, then you can see the poverty. Can you see the people over there? Okay. Hello.
Yes,
Please respond, student.
ma'am.
Okay. So what the picture speaks? What the picture speaks? The poverty is a situation where people is unable to arrange the food for themselves. Okay. So you can see the people, see वहाँ पे एक बाउल हमें है जिसमें कुछ है. I think it's popcorn or rice. It is not clearly visible. आपको दिख रहा है तो आप लोग मुझे बताओ क्या है वो. But there, I think there are 4 to 5 people. I think 5 people are there who are sharing. Then in the second screen, you can see there are a lot. A queue is there for a food. Okay, the situation is that people are unable to arrange the food for themselves. Okay, so these are the situation in India. Next, you can see the level of unemployment. Okay, are you able to see the screen? People are applying for the job, and suppose if there is a vacancy exists. Okay, if there is a vacancy for the one people, there are 100 to 1,000 people apply for the work. And see, I'm not joking, student. When there is a, see, there are 2 type of interviews for the post. One is a walk-in interview, and one is interview on the short recruited student. Are you able? Any one of you working student? Any one of you? Any one of you working? Please respond, student. Hello. Can any of you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So,
No, ma'am.
okay, when you apply for the job ना, जब आपको job करनी है, so there are 2 type of data. कभी-कभी newspaper में आता है walk-in interview. Okay, walk-in interview means any person can go and give the interview. At that time ना, suppose there is one vacancy, and there will be 500 to 1,000 people. Okay. So walk-in interview, we can see the slide. जो नीचे वाली slide दिख रही है आपको जिसपे मैंने cursor रखा है, you can see the number
Yes,
of people. One vacancy is there, and I'm not joking and I'm not exaggerating anything. I'm telling you the correct, I'm showing you the correct picture of unemployment for today's exit in India. If you say the economic is a chronic situation, that means a situation where the people are ready to work. That means a people who is graduate is working for
Hello, ma'am.
low. Yes, beta, bolo. Yes.
मैम मेरी फ्रेंड वेटिंग रूम में, उसका नेटवर्क इशू था करके वो बार बार अंदर बार हो रही है, तो अभी वो वेटिंग रूम में है, इसके लिए वो मेरे को कॉल कर रही है.
Okay, just wait. Okay, so the unemployment situation is in India is a chronic. Okay, that means people are searching for the job. This is a condition of India in today's scenario. So many people leave a country and go to abroad also. You can see the picture. You can see 2 pictures. The right hand side picture is a situation of the urban rural India, where is urban India. You can see the difference between 2 pictures, student. Are you able to see the difference between the 2 pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the infrastructure development. So all these things are there. Okay, then you can see next picture, industrialization. That means there are a lot of industries in Maharashtra, there are a lot of industries in Gujarat. Okay, but in many states of India like Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha, the situation is very bad. That means the unemployment rate is very high over there, and there is no industries over there. Still people are depend on agriculture. And I told you in yesterday's lecture that agricultures represent the primary sectors of the Indian economy. Okay, so industrialization represents the secondary sector of Indian economy. So definitely in agriculture sector, income is very low. The poverty rate and population of that people is very high. So industrialization is again a problem in India. Then you can see the income inequality. Are you able to see the picture, student? There are various
Yes,
people.
ma'am.
Okay. The person, the first
Yes,
person
ma'am.
is holding lot of money. Then second person usse come and usse come. There is income equality in India also. Okay. There are some people who is withdrawing very high salary. There are some people their income salary is very low. Okay. So there is no equality of income in India. So again, these are the problems. So these are the various issues that India is facing. Okay, basically the main issue that India is facing today is the population. Okay, the population of India is increasing day by day. Okay, and because of population, we are facing the different problem like poverty. We are facing the problem like unemployment. Okay, therefore the people are not only the migrated from one state to other state. Now people are migrating from one country to other country. Okay, so there is a lot of anti-social activities also going on because people are unable to arrange the food for themselves. There are many people who lives on the street, they lives on the slum area. Because they leave their states and they come to Mumbai for the search of job. Not only Mumbai, they go to Delhi, Bangalore, or the metropolitan cities where they get then suppose a situation like COVID situation, at that time also these people suffered a lot. Okay, so these are the scenario of India. Hope it will increase in it will improve in future. Okay, student, I hope this PPT is clear. This PPT is clear, student.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So diversity has a differences. As India is a multicultural society, now the cultural diversity is a variety of the human society or the culture in the specific region. That means that we are different from one another. We are following, like India, we are following different religion, different caste. Okay, there exists a people with a different background. Okay, the more obvious cultural differences exist among the people, including language. Okay, people from the different communities speak the different languages. Okay, the dressing style also differ from religion to religion. The food habit is also differ from people to people. Okay, there are people who are strictly vegetarian. Okay, there are people who are non-veg. Okay, their custom, traditions, okay, festival, everything is different. Then too, we are one. That is, we are together. Now let's see all the points. Okay, that make us the positive thinking कि हम we are living in the country with a very cultural heritage. The first point is the pride in the cultural heritage. That means whatever the heritage we have, जो भी हमारे पास है इंडिया में, and we should be proud of that. That is the example. The diversity in culture generate a sense of pride in the cultural heritage of the one country. That means we should be proud of our country, that in spite of having several languages, in spite of having several religion, in today India is a very big country. Okay, a very good country in the world. For instance, India is about 1652 languages. Okay, Indian living abroad or Indian conversing with foreign in India may develop the sense of pride. Okay, one thing. In NASA also, in America also, you know, America is a superpower, US is a superpower. Yeah, this, you know, this point. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
but you know,
Yes,
there are many Indians who stay in USA. Okay, and the contribution in the NASA also. I think you know what is NASA. NASA पता है ना आप लोगों को what is NASA?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is also, there is a contribution of Indian also. That means कि India is Indians are representing India not only on the Indian level, but also the international level also. If you go to Canada, if you go to United Kingdom, if you go to the Gulf countries, there are many Indians at a good position over there. That means they are representing that company. So we should be proud of that cultural heritage. The second is intercultural influences. Okay, India, we have different religion and different culture, and different people are following different things. See, one example दिया है. If you see, for instance, the wearing of Mangalsutra by the married Hindu lady has an influence at the Christian also. Okay, that means कि see, Mangalsutra is a symbol of the person कि एक lady जो है वो married है. Okay, so एक हिंदू लेडी ने मंगलसूत्र वेयर किया था, एंड एक क्रिश्चियन लेडी ने उसको देखा, उसने मंगलसूत्र वेयर कर दिया. That means a cultural influence. This point is clear, student? Student, this point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that means this is a cultural influence, right? Okay, that means kids in Christianity and I think in Muslim also, people are not wearing the Mangalsutra, but in the Hinduism, people, married lady are Hindu wearing the Mangalsutra. Right? I'm right? I'm right, student? सही बोल रही हूँ मैं?
Yes, ma'am.
So if we are adopting the other culture, like now the people from other culture also, like for Christians also, for Muslims also, they're wearing the Mangalsutra. That means that is a cultural influence. Then next the communal harmony. Now what is a communal thing? Communal thing is that when there is a different culture, when there is a different religion, okay, so there may be tend कि वो लोग अपने जैसे for example, although their language and religion conflict होता है हमारी कंट्री में, आप लोगों को पता है बहुत सारे religion conflict भी हमारी कंट्री में हुए हैं, but then too all these things we are following. Come to the next page. Okay, then too we are following intergroup conflict के बाद भी आज भी हम लोग जो है festivals जो है, वहाँ पे देखो festivals लिखा है, like the carnival in the Goa and Onam in the Kerala, where the people from the different religion, caste and different diversity take part. That means even though कि वो जो एक festival hai that is for particular community, but also people from the other community and other caste also enjoy that festival. Okay, remember we used to enjoy Diwali vacation hum sabko अच्छी लगती थी. Yes, student, whether you belong
Yes,
to
ma'am.
yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, you can share your experience with me. See, whether you belong to any religion, like आप Hindu हो या Muslim हो या Sikh हो या Christian हो, but everybody in India is getting the Diwali vacation, and we used to enjoy Diwali vacation, everyone, right? Because क्या होता था, हमारा एग्जाम कंप्लीट होता था, टर्मिनल एग्जामिनेशन है ना, और उसके बाद हमको 20 डेज की हॉलीडे मिलती थी, एंड वी यूज्ड टू एंजॉय दैट हॉलीडे. ऑब्वियसली होमवर्क मिलता था, होमवर्क भी करना पड़ता था, दैट इज अनदर पार्ट, बट वी यूज्ड टू एंजॉय. हम क्रैकर्स, स्पेशली वो होती है ना, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, सुरसुरी, है ना, सुरसुरी बोलते हैं उसको. यस, we used to we used to enjoy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we purchase the crackers and we all the, it's not only that Hindus go and purchase, हर culture के लोग जाके purchase करते हैं. Okay, that means कि it is not only a particular religion कि वो करता है. In India we enjoy all the festivals, हमको खुशी मिलती है हर festivals के साथ. Okay, that is कि हम लोग अलग होने के बाद भी हम लोग एक है. उसके बाद rich taste और diverse rich taste of the diverse culture. और rich taste of the diverse culture, what is the meaning of rich taste? That means इंडिया के जो खाने हैं, इंडिया के जो फूड्स हैबिट है, वो भी वर्ल्ड में फेमस है. से एग्जांपल आप देखते हो, थर्ड लाइन फॉर इंस्टेंस, पंजाबी कुजीन इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द गुजराती, साउथ इंडियन एंड गाउन. दैट मीन्स कि पंजाबीज का जो डिशेज होते हैं वो अलग होते हैं, गुजरात की जो डिशेज होती है अलग होती है, बट जब जो हम लोग हर चीज बनाते हैं ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी उपमा, पोहा, we eat. Yes, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes.
We eat dosas also and idlis also. Yes, yes,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
So we Indians are not tend to limited to a one or two thing. We enjoy all the things. Okay, that means कि इंडिया का जो and tourism industry, especially the tourists from the foreign countries visit India, especially for all this. Okay, then it promotes humanistic values at the workplace. See, as I told you that when you go to the organization, when you join the industry, आपका जो वर्क प्लेस है, you will ऐसा नहीं होगा कि सिर्फ आपको आपके कल्चर के या आपके बैकग्राउंड के लोग मिलेंगे. इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन there is a group of employing belonging to the diverse culture. Okay, that means okay, so especially not in India, if you अगर आपने सोचा कि after your graduation और after your post graduation आप फॉरेन में जाके काम करोगे, तो जब आप सपोज आप अमेरिका चले गए फॉर एग्जांपल, तो अमेरिका में बहुत सारी कंट्रीज के लोग आएंगे, कनाडा के भी, गल्फ कंट्रीज के भी होंगे, तो पीपल आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट, सिर्फ रिलीजन में डिफरेंट नहीं होंगे वो लोग, लैंग्वेजेस में भी डिफरेंट होंगे, कल्चर में भी डिफरेंस होंगे. ओके, तो यहाँ पर भी ऐसा होता है कि जब आप वर्क प्लेस में जाते हैं, इवन दो व्हेन यू आर इन योर स्कूल, योर कॉलेज, आप लोग अलग अलग रिलीजन, अलग अलग लोगों से मिलते थे. इसका मतलब कि यू हैव टू मेक, उसके बाद भी आप एक दूसरे के साथ काम करते हो, अच्छी तरह से काम करते हो. Next, exchange of innovative ideas. When the organization comprises of the people with a diverse background, culture and experience, new and the creative innovative idea. Okay, जब people अलग अलग लोग culture के लोग, अलग अलग thinking के लोग जब एक जगह जमा होते हैं ना, तो वो लोग अलग अलग innovative ideas भी देते हैं. For example, see, one person is from USA, one person is from India, one person is from London. Okay, और ideas इंडियन जो इंडियन होगा वो अपना आइडिया देगा, जो यूके वाला होगा वो अपना आइडिया देगा, जो गल्फ कंट्री वाला. दैट मीन्स कि यहाँ पे आइडियाज भी एक्सचेंज होते हैं. दैट आइडियाज में बी यूज फॉर द फर्दर रेफरेंस. ओके, okay, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just go through
Yes,
all the
ma'am.
just go through all the points, student, and you find anything